Hi, welcome to part one of this. I think it could be fun as a school project or in reality. The first off is we have wind, one, and wind transports via a kite system water, seawater from the sea down there up the mountain or to a higher point, and this could be done through kites by powering and depowering them. And ask a kite surfer how to do that, or alternatively simply ask Lord Nelson on his ship. You see, when those old square wig ships, their sails, the big old square with the wind right behind, wasn't pulled in, it wouldn't go. It would flap about the sail. But you pull them in, the sails, and you go along. So that's straight off downwind, that is. So in areas like very hot, arid areas inland, often near the sea, very strong sea breezes are developed during the summer. So you'll be using this wind, and I think I looked at Agadir a couple of days ago and said that would be mid-April 2018, and you could clearly see there was a wind pattern in the afternoons. Excuse me for being Australian, but I am trying to be like Tom, the helicopter pilot from Pontypandy, as that sort of guy would be very interested in destroying forest fires, which can be a problem in good old Oz. So, I apologise for my Australian accent. However, it's all the fault of Tom from the Mountain Rescue Station in Pontypandy. I've been watching it too much. Anyway, so there's your wind power. It shoots you up the top of the hill, your water. And gravity rolls the buggy or whatever it is down the hill again. Now, I'm not sure about this, but it's a little bit on a bicycle. A long time ago, you used to be able to collect electricity through a dynamo. So I haven't put it here, but there's another system, dynamo, for collecting electricity on the way up and on the way down to the sea. 3, solar. This is a bit out of order here. However, I will go on to that in a moment. So, again, we have number 5, hydroelectric. The water is collected at the top of the mountain. Then it rolls down the mountain in a stream or a pipe system and goes out towards the hot, arid desert regions. Here, in a pipe or something, hopefully, because of 3, solar, it turns into steam, and then you get, maybe, this is a bit over the top, but maybe the steam energy could be used. I doubt it. However, it's worth putting it in, just to have as many as possible in this particular idea. The next thing is, of course, is hydroelectric. As the water comes down the mountain, as it's being reduced, you can again be getting electricity. Then, in the pipes, in the desert, hopefully they'll get very hot, and there you will get the steam coming off, which will be creating distilled water going from the main pipe into separate pipes. These pipes can slowly fill with water, and the water, distilled water, because there'll be no longer any impurities like salt in it, and then it will be released onto the desert floor, or the arid region. The arid region will hopefully have more than just rock on it, because you want to grow things there, hopefully, and grow trees, and then you'll be out into the